Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to pay someone for a service or product, but you didn't have access to their bank account or credit card? Or maybe you're a freelancer or small business owner looking for a way to get paid quickly and easily. If so, you may be wondering if Deel works with PayPal. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that helps businesses hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. PayPal, on the other hand, is a popular online payment processor that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive money. So, does Deel work with PayPal? The answer is yes. Deel supports PayPal as a payment method for both employers and employees. This means that you can use PayPal to pay your employees, and your employees can use PayPal to receive their paychecks. There are a few different ways to use PayPal with Deel. Direct deposit. You can set up direct deposit to your employees' PayPal accounts. This is the fastest and most convenient way to get paid. PayPal invoice. You can send your employees a PayPal invoice. This is a good option if you need to pay an employee for a one-time project or service. PayPal card. You can use a PayPal debit card to pay your employees. This is a good option if you don't want to set up direct deposit or send an invoice. Benefits of using PayPal with Deel. Convenience. PayPal is a fast and easy way to send and receive money. Security. PayPal is a secure platform that uses encryption to protect your financial information. Flexibility. PayPal offers a variety of payment options to meet your needs. How to set up PayPal with Deel. Sign up for a Deel account. Go to the Settings tab and click on Payment Methods. Select PayPal from the list of payment methods. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Click on Save Changes. Once you have set up PayPal with Deel, you can start using it to pay your employees. Deel and PayPal are both great tools for businesses that need to hire and pay employees globally. If you're looking for a convenient, secure, and flexible way to pay your employees, PayPal is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about how to use PayPal with Deel, please visit our website or contact our support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.